welcome back to my channel at Natasya R1. On today's episode, we're going to be discussing how to colon cleanse at home naturally. I'm going to be showing you some quick, easy, and affordable natural remedies which will help you cleanse your colon as well as do a stomach cleanse. The first natural remedy is bentonite clay. So there's a lot of theories around Aztec tradition and extracting bentonite clay from the volcanoes. So it is a great tool to have. You can order it online or find it at a nearest pharmacy or retailer. Bentonite clay is a natural remedy that I use in order to detox and cleanse the colon. So how do you take it? So you take a teaspoon of the clay mixture and you mix it into water, and you can drink that at any period of time. You can do it probably once a week or twice a week. So why do that? Well, what it does is it actually, when you ingest it, it actually binds to a lot of pathogens and bad bacteria in your gut and in your stomach, and which is fantastic because you want to get rid of all the nasty germs that are in your stomach, and it cleanses your digestive tract. You have a more efficient digestive tract, and reducing a lot of bloating and a lot of gas that you might experience. Your skin also looks much healthier and there's a glow. So I feel actually very energetic and lighter when I take a glass of bentonite clay, so I highly recommend it. So the next remedy is celium husk. So celium husks are actually sea husks, and it's the form of fiber that can actually be expanded in your gut. So what I recommend is you take a tablespoon of celium husk powder, again available in any supermarket, retailer or pharmacy. Put it into half a glass of water and drink that. Why? Because everybody needs to cleanse their gut, because gut is actually linked to a clearer digestive tract and a clearer and healthier body by removing food that's been not fully digested. You've got toxins, you even have waste accumulation in your stomach. So the 1 tablespoon with half a glass of water, I would drink that. You can do that maybe every 2 days or 3 days depending on how your body reacts to it. It's very natural and very safe. What it does is it expands in your gut and binds to negative charged material and helps as a bulking agent, and moves through your gut through the process of peristalsis and moves all the unwanted material out of your gut. Another remedy that I would highly recommend is activated charcoal. I've actually dedicated a video, one specific video on my channel to activated charcoal, and you can actually take a look at it if you'd like. But basically activated charcoal is medicated food grade charcoal that you can ingest. You can ingest it as tablets, capsules, or even the powder itself. So what I usually do is take half a teaspoon, put that into half a glass of water and mix that in and drink that. What that does again is a detoxing agent. So it will cleanse your gut, your small intestine, your large intestine, again removing all the unwanted material. The awesome thing about activated charcoal is that it's actually used in removing poisons. So if you accidentally ingested some poison, activated charcoal is a natural anti-poison agent that can remove all of these toxins out of your body. So I do this probably once a week. Some people do it once a month, which is fine. Again, it's about what you're trying to achieve, and you know your body. As it starts healing and detoxing, you will experience some cold-like or flu symptoms, because that's your body naturally getting rid of accumulation of waste and toxins in your body. So yeah, activated charcoal is a great remedy from my side. Another great remedy is apple cider vinegar. So it really is fermented apples. So what you do is you take a tablespoon or half a tablespoon with a glass of water, and you ingest that in the morning before you eat. What it does is it stimulates your digestive juices and helps the gut to actually start producing the fluids that are required to break down your food more efficiently. Apple cider vinegar is also antibacterial. People use it on their skin. You can drink it to clean your gut as well. and dissolve any of the toxic material that's in your body. So I would highly recommend it. It's a great natural remedy from my perspective.